let's start with, and it may have some of the revision for those who know about it. Let's make a questionnaire and start with SPSS. Actually, when we go for the research process, I think there is a research process also mentioned. Research process starts with a problem which we call as the objective. Then there is review of literature that results into hypothesis. Internet is available here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will show you some things. How to review of literature, hypothesis as written actually. So we start with the problem, we go for review of literature, we make a hypothesis. After making hypothesis, we go for RD, research design, including sample design. Research design is simply all questions, answering the questions like we've been talking about the questions so long. After that, we go for data collection. It may be RD stands for research design, SD for the sample design. Data collection. Now, invariably, roughly all the books talk about after data collection, next is data analysis. No. The next is data processing. After data processing, there is a data analysis, and now we have seen that data analysis is not independent, it heavily depends on your this and this. Data analysis is a culmination of problem, how many variables, how you actually measured them, what was the hypothesis, it results into that. It is not an independent thing, it is just a logical thing. After analysis, next comes data interpretation. Interpretation is, what is interpretation actually is a marriage of two, it is review of literature and plus data analysis. Data interpretation talks about the two, review of literature. So, we says our results validate the results of the previous study or nullifies the results, etc. Then conclusion and suggestion, recommendation. Some people say suggestions are separate, recommendations are separate, whatever. I am not going into that, but conclusion, suggestions. So, these are the steps. We are at this step, data processing. So, data processing means you got some sort of data with you, either in the form of downloading from any database or from the survey method or result of any experiment, any of the method. Any other method is there, you can take that also. My understanding is either you descriptive research or the other research. A descriptive research is survey method or database, or experimental is conduct an experiment. Please look for if any other method is there.